Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to check notification on another device for Instagram. And in order for us to do that, all we may have to do is to log in onto our devices. And then from here, on this icon that is shaped like a heart, we're going to tap on it. And that's where we're going to find the notifications. And once you have actually logged in on another device or Instagram, they may give you a notification that will arrive here, informing you that they have sent a notification to the phone that you first logged in your Instagram application. And it may tell you to either approve the login to continue to now the current one that you're trying to log into your Instagram account in, or you may actually choose another option, which is try another way, in which it will send you a code in order to help you be able to log in into your Instagram application. And they may send it via code, and all you may have to do is to confirm that code, and you will be able to check notifications on another device for Instagram. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.